Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries. For your daily energies, Aries, we are picking few cards, guys. A very Merry Christmas to every one of you, Aries, and a very Happy New Year to you all. I hope this year brings all that happiness, prosperity, and success in your life, Aries. So let's start the reading now with this happy intention. So these are for your daily reading, Aries, and these are for your career situation, guys, and these are for your relationship, guys. So let's start the reading with these cards first. Queen of Wands in reverse, Seven of Wands in reverse, and Three of Pentacles. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, it may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, guys. You are worried about something, guys. Something is not going up to your expectations, so you are worried how things may turn out. It may be something to do with your personal life situation or your career situation, guys. And though you are putting in lots of efforts, trying your level best, something is obstructing your progress. It may be people you are working with in your career, or it may be someone in your personal life. So they are quite jealous of your progress and how things are proceeding for you today. So they may have that bad intentions about you, and they are trying to create those obstacles for you in your path. And I also see that there are few people helping you, supporting you today. They are with you as a team, supporting you with suggestions or in whatever way possible, and they are ready to do anything to help you, guys. Aries, this may be your energy or this may be their energy, guys. Maybe you are trying your level best to help in whatever way possible. So that is what I see with these cards for your daily reading, Aries. Let us see what are these cards. So we will open these cards now. It's Two of Swords, Ten of Cups, and Seven of Pentacles. Ten of Cups in reverse, guys. So with these cards in your situation today, Aries, in your career, you are making some difficult choices, something based on the truth in your heart, but it may be affecting some people. You may have love and concern on them, so that is worrying you how your decision will impact them. So you are not ready to take up that decision, because that may worry them a lot, or that may impact them a lot. So you are thinking whether you have to whether you want to proceed in that path today, guys. And I also see that you know the pros and cons in your situation, in that choices you need to make. Maybe some success you have had till now, some things would have gone wrong, and you are thinking what is your next plan of action. Maybe for some of you, you have achieved few of your dreams, happy for those positive things that has happened, and you are waiting to proceed on the path to success, guys. And also on certain things you don't have that trust. It may be some people you work with, or some choices, your career choices, some projects, or some path you have right in front of you. You don't have that trust on that. You don't believe that those paths will work, or those are the right decisions. So you are thinking, what is your next step in your career, Aries? So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let us see what are these cards for your relationship. Six of Wands in reverse, Queen of Swords, and Six of Pentacles, guys. So with these cards, I see that in your relationship with this person, maybe there is some kind of you may be involved in some kind of arguments or misunderstandings with this person, and you are in some kind of separation from them. Maybe it may be a temporary break. So it may be something that you are saying to them, or some truth you have learnt about them, or some choices that you have made that is taking you to this situation today, Aries. So maybe it may be because of some fears you have. So some kind of fear you have about your future together, or apprehension, doubts. So you don't have that clarity about this person. You don't have that total faith in them. You feel that they are not telling you, revealing you the whole truth. So some kind of misunderstandings are there in your situation today, Aries. And there are people, friends or family helping you today, trying to get that understanding today. Or it may be this person you are in connection with. They are willingly coming forward to communicate with you what to make that redress in your situation. So make amends, maybe say sorry to you, and get back with you, patch up things. Or they want to say what is in their mind, help you come out of this stress, help you come out of this misunderstanding or these quarrels. They want to end these quarrels and support you in any way. This may be this person, or this may be some friend, a true friend who has that deep concern on you. So they are helping you, supporting you, and helping you out today with their suggestions, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.